And this is the second part of Jenny's journey to losing 27 pounds over the past few months. And today I'm going to talk to you about her initial goals and her long term goals. So, when she came to me, she was just initially looking for, well, it was an overall weight loss goal. She wanted to lose £10, and we originally decided that we were going to work together for 60 days, and that was a goal over that sort of short time frame. But here's the thing: over a period of weeks of working with me, she started to realise that actually, she's got a long term goal, and which was far more important than the initial £10 weight loss that she originally came to me for. So her long-term goal was actually a 3.5 stone weight loss, and she started to understand that it wasn't really about losing weight. It was more about having a sustainable lifestyle that provided her with the energy that she needed to be able to focus at work, play with her son, be, manage an active family and just manage her active daily life. So it was her original, almost like a surface level goal of losing £10 became much more meaningful to her. She wanted to be able to sustain it, and she wanted to be able to achieve a significant weight loss goal over the course of time, well beyond the initial 8 weeks that we were going to be working together. So what I'm getting at really is that, on social media and with diet books and exercise programs and diet plans and etc., it's all about, achieve £10 or lose £10 in the next 60 days, or these surface level, like essentially they're like quite superficial goals. But when you dig a bit deeper, like what's your life going to be like when you manage to achieve a much larger goal of, health and longevity, and being able to keep up with, keep up with your kids in her case, and, live the active life that you want. She is, with her last check-in, she's told me she's lost 27 pounds, and she hasn't been, that weight for 15 years. And, I asked her, how's your energy? And she's like, yeah, I'm full of energy, and she's feeling really good about herself. And that's the important thing. It's much more than a superficial weight loss goal. So just to round up, like Jenny had an initial short-term goal of losing £10. When we started working together, she realised that actually the habits and the process that we were working on was quite exciting, because she could see it being like a long-term change, which was going to result in like an initial small change over the course of several months and then several years. It's going to result in a long-term weight loss goal and a long-term health, which was much more exciting than her original £10 in sort of 8 weeks challenge that she sort of had embarked on originally. So there we are. I just wanted to give you a quick roundup of Jenny's goals, and the next little video I'm going to tell you about why she was so successful.